the gate. Upper Railroads is a ledge across the river. There's a guide eating hydraulic behind it. As we line up, I'll coach us into second gear. We'll pick it up stronger, punch through that hydraulic.
Everything is broken.
What is it? It is broken.
Is it good?
You picked it.
I didn't realize it was broken.
If you want me to, I can get on that side to help.
It'll probably last a day. But when we get back to base, let's not put that back in the paddle bin. We'll throw it off. We'll throw it away. Or you guys can take it home as a trophy if you want. So if it was just a ledge with a hydraulic, this still might be a class 3. But no, there's more. Down in the middle of the river are rocks called Chicago and Detroit, because they are very exciting places. So even after we've dropped the ledge and punched through the hydraulic, we want to keep paddling, we want to keep listening, we want to work away from old Chicago and Detroit rock. If we swim, come on back to the boat. If you can't swim with the paddle, drop it. It floats, we'll pick it up later, and swim to the raft and get in. If it's not happening, and we'll know like in a second, you'll be like, I can't get the boat. Start swimming to the left side. You don't have to go to shore, just get out of the middle of the river. So if I fall out here, I'm gonna swim right back to the boat and get in, or I'm gonna start swimming to the left side of the river so I'm away from old Chicago and Detroit. People who swim over Chicago and Detroit say things like, I think I got mugged. While all this is happening, keep smiling. Our professional still photo is going to be taken here. And every year, someone has to make the cover of the ACE catalog. It may as well be you guys.
That's right.
You can see Zach's boat. They're aiming for the best part of the ledge.
Mm-hmm.
The far right side of the ledge is not runnable. Let's go all forward. Stop. Nice.
That's nice.
Our turn. Let's go all forward. Looking good, keep it coming. Now give it a little second gear, Punch right through there. Take a break. You can wave at the cameraman. Woo!
Sure.
Fantastic run. I'm gonna turn us a little. Look at that waterfall you just went over.
Oh yeah.
Fantastic. Chicago's off our nose. We're well clear of it. Let's go all forward. Stop. Easy forward. And take a break. Here comes the fun. Woo! Woo-hoo!
There you go.
Great cost for a run, family. Let's high five in the middle. Yip. This will be the deepest part of the river we go over. It is 70 feet deep under our feet. You all are welcome to peel off your helmets and jump in feet first. It's swimming time, fishies.